Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine and enjoying good health at home. This is your English period and today we are going to read letter B. Now you can see on your book page number letter B. Capital letter is called B and its sound is B, 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 just like bouncing ball. Its action is just like bouncing ball. B, B, B ball, B bat. Color these two pictures. Now just look at this butterfly. It's too beautiful. Butterfly having some pictures. So just you have to color the pictures that have beginning letter B, B. You have to color the ball, bat and baby. B ball, B bat, B baby. And also B butterfly. Which thing is this one? Butterfly and its starting sound is B. You can feel it B. B butterfly, B ball, B bat, B baby. So class, read again these vocabulary words with me. B boy, B boy, B butterfly, B ball, B bat. This one is ball and bat. Starting sound is B, B. B ball, B bat. Now you have to write on your work page. Open your work page and write letter B, B. On your book, you have to just write capital letter, and on your notebook, you have to write both letters B and B. It's so easy to write. First of all, you have to make one and then make first curve from first line to second line, and then make second curve from second line to third line. So do your writing, do it very carefully, take care of yourself, learn this letter with all vocabulary words. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.